Hello friends, welcome back to the money video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to go to guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone guys network speed setting, how to show network speed on status bar. Friends, we want to show you lava phone network speed setting. So friends, how to show network speed one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your lava phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on lava mobile. So friends, how to show phone network and Wi-Fi network speed. Friends, first of all click here display setting. After on display setting friends, click here network speed setting. After on network speed friends, connect any Wi-Fi network and guys on your mobile network, and friends you can check your network speed on your lava mobile. So friends, we will connect Wi-Fi network. After connect network 1 and 5 minutes, your phone Wi-Fi network speed will show on your lava mobile. Friends, now you can check your after 1 and 2 minutes your network speed. Network speed will show on your status bar. And friends, you want to off your mobile network speed, your Wi-Fi network speed. So friends, if you click here guys, your network speed will not show on status bar. You want to show, so you can show again from here. So like that friends, we can show network speed on status bar on lava mobile. And friends, if you off your Wi-Fi mobile network, so friends network speed will not show. So I hope friends you understood how to show network speed and how to turn off network speed on lava mobile. Friends, click here network speed will off. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.